Jesus. It's Sunday. I'm still buzzing, but it don't matter because it's time to tailgate. Ride your buzz out from the night before. Get on the horn. My man, where we at? La D? All right, so I'm bringing the smoker. I'll see you there. I love a good half buzz still going from the night before. Ride that out right till game time, you know? Eat some smoked meats and live your best life. This episode of $20 Chef, we're tailgating with the Indianapolis Colts. Let's head out. What's up? Welcome to another episode of the $20 Chef. This week, we're hanging out with the beautiful people of Indianapolis, Indiana. No one's busting their necks, jumping through tables and shit. We got jobs and shit to go to tomorrow, all right? One thing we do out here, we play cornhole. Get your shit together. Bang. If you don't have a good toss, don't try to be on my team, all right? This is real shit out here. And obviously, we're smoking meats. Now, when you're out here tailgating, this isn't some shit you can just wake up to drunk as fuck at 10:45 and show up at 10:60. You know what I mean? Which will equal 11 for the smart people, right? My man right here wakes up early for the people, okay? He drags out this sweet smoker. He's got it ready to rock and roll. Look at this guy. We got another helper. What are you making over here, James? What's going on in this grill?
Got some sauce, just some pork loin, little chicken. Trying to keep everybody alive, that's all.
That's it, trying to keep people alive. So we got a nice pork loin here. I like what you got there, nice crusted outside. The chicken wings on the smoker, I like it. You just throw them in there and just kind of let them do their thing. And then you toss them in some hot sauce and barbecue sauce. It looks like when the sausage finishes, you just throw it right in the skillet. You got the nice onions going here. You know, it's a lot of food. We can just keep it moving on the go. We're talking about Indiana, balls deep in fall before it gets cold. It's not hot, it's nice, sunny, 65 degrees. Just a couple of gentlemen out here trying to chug a beer on a sweet Sunday afternoon. Classic Indiana tap right there. You know, you're a little impatient, you want to pour it in quick. It's trick of the trade right there. Maybe Colts fans out here risking life and limb to bust their ass through a table for a quick 5-second video. We're doing a little bit more intelligent. We want to get lit and not make any health insurance claims, okay? Go! Oh shit, you got out-chugged hard. All right, I've taken over the grill. This thing's smoking, we're doing well. We got the wings looking real nice. Probably gonna throw some barbecue sauce on that shit here pretty soon, you know? This is the kind of commitment though I can commit to. I can commit to a smoker, you know? But some commitments I have problems with. You know why? Every time I think I'm about ready to commit, I see some shit. You know, like I was driving down the street the other day, it was a pouring down storm, there's thunder and lightning, and I see a married dude out there cutting grass. Like my man is just out there in the rain, just hitting it, dude. You know how bad you do not want to be around your family when you cut grass in a thunder and lightning storm?
Or he was supposed to do it before and his wife's mad at him, so he has to go out there and do it right now.
So either way,
he can never win.
It's a lose-lose for this man.
He can never win.
Like, you know what? I don't need a wife yet. I'm gonna stick to smoking meats.
Well, what you do is you get you a girl that has a kid. Ooh. Because they always got snacks, dude. So whenever you get hungry, you just go over and hang out, and they always got snacks.
There it is. And you can't hate on a good snack. Just standard Indianapolis, Indiana type of lifestyle. Little cornhole. Indianapolis Colts football. We got a bunch of people having a great time, living their best life, about to go watch this Indianapolis Colts team beat the shit out of the Buffalo Bills. That's this episode of the $20 Chef. See you guys next week. Get your life together.